The corners we cut. Raka and his older sister Wulan had a big dream: to build the coolest treehouse in the whole neighborhood. They drew up a detailed blueprint. "Look at this part, Wulan," Raka exclaimed. "We have to use steel nails and the very best wood planks. This house must be sturdy." Wulan smiled. "That's right, Raka. Building anything well takes time and care." Remember, never cut corners.
The phrasal verb cut corners means to do something in the quickest, easiest, or cheapest way, often by sacrificing quality or breaking rules. It implies taking a shortcut that avoids some essential steps or procedures, usually to save time, money, or effort, but often with a negative consequence on the final result.
But Raka was impatient. He wanted to play in it now. When Wulan stepped away for a moment, Raka spotted a pile of thin rope, not the thick, planned rope. This rope is faster to tie," Raka thought. "It's cutting a corner." Wulan will never know. He quickly tied the rope ladder with the weaker material. Next, while joining the floor, he used short screws instead of the long ones the plan called for. Another quick corner cut. He whispered to himself. When Wulan returned, Raka had already installed the ladder and part of the floor. "Wow, you're so fast, Raka," Wulan praised. The next day, they invited their friends over for the grand opening party. Raka felt incredibly proud. The first friend tried to climb the rope ladder. Squeak! Slip! The thin rope began to slide and pull free from the rushed knots. Then, as two friends stood on one corner, creak! The floorboard wobbled because the short screws couldn't hold it securely. Raka climbed down in shame. "I'm sorry, Wulan. I cut corners to finish fast. I didn't use the strong materials and I rushed the work." Wulan smiled and handed Raka a hammer. "It's okay. Now we know. Cutting corners might be fast, but the result is never sturdy. Let's fix it, and this time we'll do it right."
The exact origin is debated, but one theory suggests it comes from turning corners sharply rather than following the full curve of a road or path, literally making the distance shorter. Over time, this concept of taking a shorter, less rural roads was applied to tasks and projects.